Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our 1-year anniversary on YouTube and a 500 subscriber giveaway. I am so incredibly excited about this. This is something that I've been wanting to do for so long. YouTube was always something that meant so much to me and really helped me through a lot of tough times in my life. So I'm very happy that I started my channel today, the day that this video is going live, exactly a year ago. So thank you so much for being a part of this community and for helping me to reach 500 subscribers. This is so cool. So I figured in honor of that anniversary, I would do a Walmart haul. This is a small Walmart haul. Small Walmart haul. Damn, that's hard to say. And I still have a decent amount of pieces. I went in store to find pieces that were on sale. And let me tell you, I got some good stuff. So you can see this pile right next to me. Let's go ahead and dive in. So first I'm gonna start off with what I'm wearing, and it is this tank top. I have this exact tank top in probably 10 different colors. I wear them all the time. They are the most comfortable, incredibly flattering. The fabric is amazing. They wash and wear so well, and they look super, super expensive, but they're under $4 each. So I got this color, I got this color, I got this color, and I got this color. I'm gonna try to link these, but no promises because I'm not sure if they actually sell them online. I think they are an in-store only purchase, but they're always on a little table with, I think it's like $4.97, a little tag there, and they have tons of colors and patterns. So very happy. I got all four for about $12. So very happy with these. Then I went to the loungewear. Go to your loungewear section, okay? I found two different sets. I had to get these in, I think I got like a large and an extra large because they were the only sizes that they had. But honestly, for loungewear, I don't care. So first I got this purple set, and these are kind of like cropped, it's like culottes? I can't remember what they're called, but that's basically what these are. So this is the pant, and then the top for these, this is inside out because I just took it out of the washer about a minute ago, and it is kind of a cardigan. It's definitely large. I mean, I got it in a large, but this is what it looks like. I love this. I think this is perfect for the summer. It's great for loungewear, but it's also something that I can wear out of the house because it's nice and thin and very springy. I am obsessed with this set. And then I also got this set. So I got these pants. These I got in an extra large. So they're definitely pretty large, but these have a drawstring, so it makes it a little bit better. And then these are actually a jogger style. So I really like these. The fabric is amazing. It's like this ribbed, super, super, super soft. I just love this. And it's very lightweight as well. So big fan of that. And then the matching shirt, I can't talk today. The matching shirt is this tank top. So I got this in a large as well. And then for some more real clothes that are not just out of the house, first I found this skirt, and this is from The Get, which is a brand from Walmart that I really like the style of, but I honestly have just not had very much success with until this skirt. I love this skirt so much. So it's this really fun pattern. It's kind of like an abstract floral is how I would describe it. Has an elastic waistband, and then it is lined on the inside, but the lining only goes to the slit, and it's just this dark brown lining. So you don't have to worry about it being see-through or anything like that. I love this. I've worn this a few times. It's super, super comfortable. And I feel like you can really dress it in a lot of different ways, which I really love. So very, very happy with this one. And then I got these incredible business pants. So these I got in a medium, and they were $36. So definitely on the expensive side, but for business pants, no. These fit me like they were made for my body, and everyone that has tried them online has kind of said the same thing. So I swear these are like sisterhood of the traveling pants. I love these. So they are a flared trouser. I am so incredibly excited to wear these. You can tell that I'm really vibing with this orange color right now. It is just not showing up very great on the camera, but these are stunning. They're super nicely made. They're from the brand Scoop, so I know that I can trust them because I like that brand a lot. And I just love these. And then the inside is just that same material. It's not extra lined or anything, which for me is actually preferable because it's hot out here in California and I don't want to be wearing business pants if it's going to be 85 degrees and have them be super thick. So I love these, big fan, very happy about them. They do have a matching blazer, but I honestly just didn't love how the blazer fit me, so I just got the pants. And then yesterday, I actually found these two pieces. First, I got this shirt. This is from No Boundaries, which is the junior line, so I went ahead and got a large. I was a little iffy about this one, but it was on sale for $7, so decided to pick it up, and it's actually so cute. I love this little cutout here, and I like the padding in here so I don't have to wear a real bra. It's definitely on the see-through side, but since there's padding and I'm not gonna wear a real bra anyways, it doesn't matter to me. So I'm happy with this. It's a little bit cropped, but honestly just to the point where it stops like right at a good waistband for me. So love that. And then lastly, I found these shorts, and these are also from No Boundaries. And these are kind of like, I want to say like a windbreaker active material. I love how these feel. They are super soft and very breathable, which is a huge plus for me in the summer because like I said, it gets hot out here. And I love these, and these are in a large. I have not tried these on yet, so we'll see in the footage if it actually fits, but I will go ahead and try everything on. So first, here is that top. I think this is so cute. I kind of want to go back and get it in a few other colors. I think it comes in pink and black, and for $7, I mean, this is so cute. And then we have these pants. Now this morning they're a little bit loose on me, but I feel like that's just because, you know, your girl was bloated when I tried them on and not as bloated now. But I still love them. I am going to have to wear them with heels, which is not a problem because I was planning on doing that anyways. But these are so cute. And I love this outfit. I feel like this is so cute. Could be good for like a business casual, or I could wear this to like a happy hour or something. I'm obsessed. Okay, then I put on this skirt. I wouldn't necessarily wear it with this top, but just so you can get a feel, this is what the skirt looks like. It does have a slit right here, and it's just so like flowy and magical. I really love this, and I highly recommend. Pretty sure it was like $14 or something like that, so definitely a good one. All right, then I threw on these kind of windbreaker shorts. These were $8.98, so even though I don't exactly love how they fit, I think I'm gonna keep them anyways because they're really comfortable. They're definitely on the shorter side since they are the Juniors brand, but I actually really like these, and I feel like they could be worn a lot of different ways. So I'm pretty happy with them. I'm gonna keep them. For that first loungewear set, we have these cute little jogger pants and then this tank top. I just really love these. I mean, these pants fit me lengthwise, as you can hopefully see in the mirror. They're definitely a little bit big otherwise, but like I said, because of this drawstring here, I can tighten it quite a bit. It's still a little bit big, but honestly for loungewear, that is what I prefer. So I think these are really cute. I kind of wish I could get them in some more sizes, and I'm not sure if they actually have them online. So if they do, I'll have them linked down below, but otherwise go check your stores because I think these were like $4 a piece. So super cozy. Okay, and then lastly, we have this loungewear set, which is that pink set. I think this is so cozy and cute. I love this. So first, I absolutely love this cardigan. I actually think I filmed a video wearing this, so you may have already seen this before. It's so cozy, and I did put my blue tank top underneath, so you can tell that it is a little bit see-through. These pants are obviously pretty large. If I stretch them out, there's a lot of room, but this is just them sitting, so they're definitely pretty big, but my hips hold them up, so good for loungewear. But I'd say normally just get your true size. I got a large, which is, I could have gone for a medium for sure, but these are so cozy. I love them. So let me show you how to enter that giveaway. I decided to just keep my cozy clothes on. So first thing you're gonna need to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Second, you're going to need to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is just Ellie Danielle. I will have that up on the screen and it's also down below as well. And then lastly, you're going to need to comment what your favorite item from Walmart is. I'd love to know if it's something that you found from my channel or if it's something that I've never shared before. I'd love to know what your favorite Walmart find was. And if you don't have one off the top of your head, what's your favorite one from this video? And then definitely make sure to put your Instagram name in there so that I can go ahead and reach out to you via DMs. Please make sure that you don't get scammed. I will be closing this giveaway in 2 weeks. So I will put that up on the day so you know exactly what that date is. And I will be reaching out to the winner on that day and making sure that we can go ahead and get your prize. In order to win this, you do have to be over the age of 18 and you do have to live in the United States, just because shipping is so incredibly expensive. But I am hopeful that I will have some international giveaways in the future. So let's go ahead and go through some of these prizes. So the first thing that I picked up are these cups. These are from Walmart. I want to say they were about $5 and it is a pack of 4 color changing cups. There is a watermelon pattern, a lemon pattern, and then 2 solids with all the straws. And then they do change color with temperature. I believe with cold they change. So these are super fun. And then I have this giant bag of makeup and I jam-packed this as much as I could. I'm going to try and stuff some more things in here because I have quite a few things that I want to give away. So without taking everything out and having to fit it back in again, I wanted to give you the Perfect Bloom eyeshadow palette from my 180 degree box, as well as the wallet. And then I threw in some earrings, some skincare, some lip balm, some of my favorite cognac sponges from Kinder, to lip glosses, some face masks, a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm going to continue to fill this up and I will get this shipped out to you. So that is what I'm giving away. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this 1-year journey, and I'm so incredibly excited for what is to come. I really appreciate you being here and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.